This video is brought to you by mymarketingvideos.com. What I'm looking at here is a screenshot of our guide called Jumpstart on Twitter, and I'm on page 38. And what I'm going to do on this video is show you how to unfollow people. As you start to follow about 400 people a day, you're going to hit a threshold at about 2,000. Twitter won't let you follow more than 2,000 people until you have roughly 2,000 followers. So once you hit 2,000 people, you're kind of stuck. So what I'm going to do is go to my home page, and I'm going to show you how to unfollow some of the people that aren't following you back. Here's a picture of my home page, and you can go to your home page and simply go up here right below your picture where it says following. Click on following. That's going to pull up a list of all the people that you're following. And I'm going to point out a couple things here. You notice right here where it says direct message, that means that this person is following me back. Now all of these people that you see, I'm following. And where it says direct message means that they're following me back, because I can send them a direct message, and you can only send a direct message to people that you're following and that are following you back. So when you see somebody like this, and it doesn't say direct message below their name, that indicates that they're not following you back. So as you notice, I don't have very many people that aren't following me back. But as you start to build and your followers, you will have more and more of these people will start to show up that aren't following you back. So what you do is you simply go over here to the right and you click on remove. Now it says, okay, you are no longer following this person. And if you change your mind and you want to follow this person again, just simply click on follow and it changes it back. Now what you may want to do, what I do, is I may want to just click on this person's name. You can hold your mouse over his name and it pulls up a little description of his bio. And if it was somebody that maybe I want to keep, even though he's not following me back, and I want to give him a few more days, or maybe send him an @reply saying, hey, follow me, I'd like to send you a direct message. You can certainly do that. So basically, as you start to follow people, you're going to have more and more people that aren't following you back, and you just kind of go right on down the list, scan to the left, and if they don't have a direct message indicator here, just simply click on remove. And even if they're following you, you could certainly remove them also. Now typically, sometimes what I do is if I'm coming down here and I want to clean out some people that I don't have a relationship with or that I'm not building with, I may want to just get rid of some of the advertisements and things along that line. But it really depends on what your purpose on Twitter is. So I'm going to keep all these people. They don't hurt nothing. They're following me and I'm following them. And so when I send out a tweet, they can read my tweet. So, but that's how you remove people. One thing to keep in mind, for example, if I click on remove, and let's say I have about 5 or 6 people clicked here that I've removed, and all of a sudden I decide, well, I want to go check out this person's profile and I want to click on his picture. What you want to do before you leave this page is go up here and hit the refresh button. Refresh your screen so that all these people are removed. Now it says you are no longer following this person, but that's not always the case unless you hit the refresh. Once you hit the refresh screen, that will then kick in and become a true statement. So, but if you have a bunch of people check marked and all of a sudden you decide, well, I'm going to go to this person's website or their Twitter page, you go there and you come back, these people will not be removed. So if you have a bunch of people checked, always hit your refresh button at the top of your screen before you leave this page. So let's say you have about 10 people checked. You could simply go down to the bottom of your screen and just click on next, and that will get rid of those people and pull up another whole list of people from the next page. And so that's another way to do it. So this is how to remove some people that aren't following you. I hope this helps. I'll see you on the next video.